Emna, do you think our lives are like phone batteries?
You mean 100% in the morning, 60% at noon, 20% in the afternoon, and begging for a charge in tears at night?
Exactly. And some days, it switches to power saving mode before noon.
I don't even bother saving. I live in low battery. Please charge human mode.
No wonder I always see you leaning on others.
Yeah, leaning on hope and coffee. This coffee makes my heart pound like a village drum festival.
My heart pounds like a bank notification deducting money.
That stings.
This morning, as soon as I opened my eyes, the utility bill was staring at me like a sworn enemy.
Yeah. The bill smiles brightly, while we cry for real.
As a kid, I thought being an adult meant freedom.
Now that we're grown, we understand. Freedom to spend money, then get tied down by it.
Back then, I loved sleeping in. Now, sleeping in feels guilty like sneaking cold rice.
Back then, I dreamed of having my own house. Now, I just hope to have enough for instant noodles with egg at month's end.
I feel like a billionaire when I add 2 eggs to my instant noodles.
I sprinkle some green onions, call it infrastructure investment.
Do you see people out there at cafes looking so fancy?
Yeah. While we're at cafes like a victims of life support group.
The other day, at the supermarket, I bought just a few things, and my wallet was empty.
Let me guess. Eggs, milk, bread, instant noodles?
And a pack of snacks as a treat yourself.
Treat yourself, then blame yourself.
Some days, I stand in front of the mirror, asking, why do I work so hard and still stay poor?
What did the mirror say?
It stayed silent, but the reflected eyes were full of contempt.
Your mirror is so rude.
Have you noticed something? As kids, we wanted to grow up fast. Now grown, we just want to go back to carefree naps.
Yeah. Back then, the biggest problem was losing a pencil.
Now, it's losing rent money.
Totally different levels of pain. Every night I set an alarm to wake up early.
And then?
Alarm rings, I turn it off. Rings again, off again. Rings, I promise to be better starting tomorrow.
That tomorrow must be unemployed, because it never comes. Do you think adults all have 2 faces?
One for society, one for the pillow at night?
Spot on. Daytime. Smiling like a sunflower. Nighttime. Pondering like an unemployed philosopher.
But even though it's tiring, I still like these cafe sessions.
Yeah. At least we have someone to be poor with.
Poor together, but laughing together.
Laughing together, then going home to count change.
Come on, finish this cup. Plenty more life stories to complain about.
Yeah, and hope we have enough for this place next week.
Alex,
What?
do you ever feel like going to work is like going to battle?
Totally. Leave in the morning as a warrior. Come back in the afternoon as a victim.
I'm like a bullet shield. Bullets from the boss, deadlines, colleagues emailing at 11 p.m.
Those emails are office-style goodnight letters.
Every morning I stand at the company door, take a deep breath,
Preparing for battle?
preparing to pretend I love the job.
Oscar-worthy acting. Have you noticed? At home, we sleep like the dead. At work, we're sleepy like the dead.
But 2 different kinds of dead.
At home, dead in bliss. At work, dead in duty.
My boss always says, the company is your second family.
Hearing that, you know, this family never gives holidays.
A family that assigns work like an enemy.
I have a dangerous habit.
What?
Open emails in the morning and immediately want to quit.
I open the company chat and already want to write a resignation.
Boss smiles. You know more work is coming.
One time I worked late, sent the report at 1 a.m.
And then?
Boss replies, change the font for me.
That font weighs more than a month's salary. Did you have childhood dreams?
Sure. Wanted to be a doctor, save lives.
Who do you save now?
saving the company from bankruptcy one Excel file at a time.
As a kid, I dreamed of being an astronaut,
Do you fly now?
flying deadlines every day.
As kids, we thought all adults were capable.
Now grown, we know everyone's just fumbling through life.
Best at pretending to be fine.
Some days I ask myself, what's the meaning of this work?
And the answer?
The meaning is having money for rent at month's end.
Very practical meaning. Do you see those inspirational posts?
Like, follow your passion.
Yeah, I followed it, passion ran away.
They say, do what you love, and you'll never work a day.
I love sleeping. But society doesn't pay for sleep.
But, even though it's really tiring,
You still have dreams, right?
yeah, I want a day of work without worrying every hour.
I want to wake up without a stomachache from stress.
I want to do something I really enjoy.
Or, one day we open a cafe?
What name?
Cafe, deadline, drink it, and wake up to chase work.
And I'll open one next door, cafe, quit job.
Lots of customers.
Anyway,
What?
we're still trying.
Yeah. Trying to survive each week?
And reward ourselves with a weekend coffee.
Alex.
More life stories?
No. Heart stories.
Hearing that already hurts.
Have you ever liked someone where just their yeah reply makes you happy all day?
Yes. Then just a scene makes you sad all week.
Classic tech era love.
I once had a crush.
Once means I know the ending.
Yeah. My crush treated me like free Wi-Fi.
Meaning,
Connect when needed. Forget the password when not.
I once thought I was the only one.
Then turned out to be one of the people messaged at the same time?
Yeah. Turns out I'm in the friendly friends category.
Sometimes I analyze every message.
Like, why did they send a different emoji today than yesterday?
Exactly. Missing one smiley, and I think the feelings have cooled.
Unrequited love is the most exhausting sport.
Chasing after them.
While tripping over illusions.
Have you ever typed a message then deleted it?
Not just once. A whole novel.
Ended up sending?
Oh, never mind. One time I waited for a message all evening.
And then?
They messaged, group study tomorrow.
School Love, Heartbreak Edition. I once thought, if I'm a bit better, they'll like me.
And then,
I really improved. They liked someone else.
like upgrading yourself for the competition. I once loved someone very deeply.
How deep?
Deep enough to forget my own worth.
That hurts.
If they were busy, I'd wait.
If they were cold, I'd warm them.
In the end, I caught a cold.
While they walked away healthy. I loved like that too.
Loving like unpaid service.
But you know the funniest part?
What?
Despite the pain, we still want to love again.
Yeah, the heart is like a kid who never learns. Sometimes I tell myself, better off alone.
And then,
See a couple on the street and feel sad.
sad but still look, love really is.
Sweet like milk tea,
Bitter like black coffee, no sugar. Like this cup.
but we still drink it. Do you believe one day we'll meet the right person?
I do. Just that life's GPS takes a detour.
Detour, but hope not lost forever.
I think, after all the hurts,
We'll love smarter.
love, but not forget ourselves.
Hey, Alex.
What's up?
If later we're still single.
Then what?
Every weekend, still come to this cafe for coffee.
Complain about life.
Laugh with each other.
Deal.
Alex.
What now? Heart stories done? Now like stories?
Yeah, social media stories. Do you feel like posting stories is like acting?
Totally. Snap glamorous photos, deep captions, but actually sitting on the toilet pondering life.
I post check-in at fancy places. Actually take out, Eating at home with instant noodles.
Exactly. Social media is where everyone's happy except you.
They post, "Today vacationing in Maldives." Us. "Today survived Monday."
I like friends' travel pics. Then wonder why I don't go.
Because the wallet doesn't like back.
Once I commented, so beautiful, but inside thinking, so rich.
I follow influencers, learn healthy living.
And then,
Eat salad once, then back to French fries.
social media teaches. Others' lives are always better.
Yeah, filters hide pimples, hide sadness.
I tried being a content creator once.
Result?
3 likes from mom, sister, and my fake account. Do you ever scroll until tired?
Yes. Scroll done, feel my life is way less glamorous.
But why do we keep scrolling?
Afraid of missing out. Missing what? I don't know.
Missing old friends' wedding pics or online deals.
One day, I unfollowed everyone. Decided to live real.
And then,
3 minutes later, followed back. Real life is too real.
social media is like unrequited love.
How?
Invest time. Like, but the algorithm doesn't like back.
Exactly. Thoughtful post, zero reach. Silly post, viral.
I think we should use it for real connections.
Instead of comparing?
Yeah. Message real friends, not just like stories.
Or post real pics. Tired today, but still smiling.
Everyone would unfollow.
Then fine. Keep real friends.
But anyway,
What?
social media is fun, if not addicted.
Yeah. Like coffee? Moderate keeps you alert. Too much makes you jittery.
So next week, post a story of us at cafe?
Yeah. Caption. Real friends. No filter.
Deal.
And hope likes from each other are enough.